Before I show you the video of tonight's canning session, which was, you'll see at, when I wrote that note on the box on the side of Sawyers bar, I checked my smartphone after that, and it was 3:20 a.m., so that's about the time I was out. And this is this morning's haul. I got a whole bunch that, I take them and I rinse them out, and, that's that. So I got a lot of them tonight. Some neat ones. These, I don't know, companies, private, I don't know who makes these beers, the IPA beers, but they have some very interesting cans. And I've seen, like, these two, I don't know what they are, Sour Batch. I've seen some really great designs, and I was thinking about collecting them. I just, I don't drink beer, and I don't have a lot of room for collectibles, or really need to, so. One other thing, I saved the tabs from the cans. I calculated, each tab from like a soda can is approximately 1/4 gram of aluminum. So it would take, I think it was something like 1,750 tabs of these to make a pound of aluminum. So I'm going to be a millionaire someday, and it might be because of aluminum. And people on eBay buy Monster tabs, from Monster energy drinks. I've been saving those. And tabs from Red Bull. And there's different shapes. This one is like the flat top and the round bottom, I call it. I don't know what it's called. This is the flat top pointed bottom. There's different colors. And then there's round. So people buy those too. I haven't sold any yet, but I'm planning to. And these neat little Budweiser ones. So, just before you see the video and my commentary on the cop, I do realize that, not everything's about me. The cop could have just been doing something else, but, I don't trust Torrington police, so that's why I said what I said. That there pulling away is a cop car, that the red lights you see. It was just parked in TJ Maxx Plaza. I don't know if he's checking on the safety of the closed restaurants there or what, but I was just in TJ Maxx Plaza, and he saw me collecting cans, and now he's waiting on the side of the road, just parked there. So, I'm going to see who this is. Usually when the night cops take a break, it's up past the library. Or at least I see him sitting there. Probably the same one. Let's see what number this is. $11TO, okay. Yeah, $11TO. So, I don't know if he's waiting for me or what. I'd be surprised if he's trying to check my route. My canning route. Alright, so we'll see. Oh look, another one just pulled up. Curious about this. I'm going to set my camera there. It's for the hell of it. Just sitting there. I don't know if it's 11TO. No idea who it is. Officer.
he's not here for me, because the only thing I'm doing is saving a bunch of aluminum and plastic from going into landfills. And just trying to earn an extra few dollars. So, I'm not doing anything wrong. Fruit flies. Just sitting there, he is. Maybe when I check the other officer's license plate, it was considered suspicious, and he had to call backup. I'll get double the harassment tonight. They'll arrest me for riding a bicycle with no registration or insurance. Maybe he's just in there whacking off. I don't know. If you're from Torrington, you probably know which is which. It's not a speed trap. This town needs an enema. Alright, I'm done with that recycling then. And our boy there is still sitting there, so I'm going to continue on my route. Okay. Man, I don't know how to turn on the light. Okay, this is way too dark to see, but this is what I love. So I was headed down toward the old CL&P power plant. I come across a box filled with cans. Oh, let me see if yeah, flash works, okay. Box with cans, like this, just set out. And I had found that this place, alright, that's the new building there on Warner Street, and there's a bar right here. I noticed there were a lot of cans left in their parking lot. So this is one of the spots that I stop at occasionally. So I wish I had a magic marker. I think I'm going to go home and get one and write thank you for the cans. Because I think they left them out for whoever to take. So I think I'm going to do that because that's something I very much appreciate. You know, whether they intend for whoever to pick them up, it's a nice thing to do. And it's happened before in other places. So this is Sawyers bar. I don't drink anymore, so I've never been in there, but thank you, Sawyers. Give you a plug. I see a lot of people hanging out here, so must be a good place to drink. Okay, I made a trip back home. I forgot to mention, let's see. No, it's late at night, early in the morning. So that's why I'm whispering. I'm gonna write a note.
And just for science's sake, this is a description of, mathematical description of a fart.